Hello folks, it's me again, and today I would like to welcome you in my Agile management series. So in today's class, we are going to learn about the skills that are required in the work of Agile. So why these skills are important and why this helps in the Agile profession and how it's being successfully used by the Agile professionals. So without further ado, let's get started. What you're going to learn in this lesson, how you can identify the most important skills for Agile, and then you'll be able to understand why each skill is needed, and then you will understand how these skills are connected in real work and of Agile management. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing is organizational skill. So this skill is important, and what does actually this means in Agile? So this means that you should be able to, whoever the Agile is, he should be able to handle files, and he should be able to do the task properly. Like in Agile, you have to work with many different departments at the same time. For example, if you are preparing for a training for the employees, you might also have to process the job application as well. So being organized and being able to multitask is really, really important and must for the Agile profession. And then we have next is the communication skill. Why this is very important? It's very, very important because you have to deal with the people every day. You need to be able to speak with them very clearly, and you have to listen to them, and you have to explain the things to them. So communication is very important. So sometimes when you have to share good news like promotions, or other times when you have to give bad news like rejection or candidate or handling conflicts, you need to coach employee, which means guiding and advising them. So good communication and HR manage to build trust and solve problems effectively. Then the third thing and skill, which is very, very important, is the critical thinking. What does critical thinking mean in this profession is that you have to think carefully. You need to analyze the situation and you have to make a good decision. So HR must not just follow orders. He should also connect with the strategy with the company, company's bigger business goals. For example, if the company wants to expand internationally, HR must think critically about hiring the right talent, like planning trainings and making policies. So creative things and problem solving is very important in HR. Now, what is this job specific skill? So, job specific skill is one of the four important skills, and this includes technical and professional knowledge. What are those? Like computer skills, like HR softwares, which are important in the HR field, like knowledge of employment laws and regulations, like ability to write and design HR strategy. So, these skills make sure that HR managers can handle their daily work in a professional and legal way. So, without these specific skills, it would be very hard to work effectively and efficiently in this HR. Now, the next we have is the fairness and ethics. So, this skill, what does this mean? This means being honest, being fair, and being maintained confidentially. HR managers deal with the sensitive issues like salaries, employee disputes, and union negotiations. Okay, so if employees feel that HR is not fair, they may lose this trust. So therefore, HR professionals always respect the privacy, act ethically in every situation. So this is what makes HR trusted department in any organization. So let's have a quick look at the summary of what we have done today so far. It was the most important skills, and there are five of them: organizational skill, communication skill, critical thinking, job specification skill, fairness, and ethics. These skills help HR support employees, solve problems, and achieve business goals. So thank you for watching today's session on key skills required in HRM. So this part of HRM is critically important in HR. I am fuck at the end. So don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. So in the next we are going to discuss about something called challenges which are faced by the HR. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.